Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes in Avatar World Easy Method. Measure dry and wet ingredients separately, then combine them gently to avoid overmixing. Add a pinch of elemental flavoring for theme taste without overpowering the batter. Preheat your Avatar oven to 350 F and prepare liners in the tray, so you can bake evenly and achieve consistent cupcake domes every batch. Whisk wet ingredients until smooth, then fold into dry ingredients with gentle strokes to keep air in the batter. Spoon batter into liners, aiming for uniform portions so every cupcake bakes at the same rate. Place tray in the center rack of your Avatar oven and monitor closely. Ovens vary, so check at the lower end of the time range to prevent overbaking while keeping moist centers. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy Avatar baking tips. Quick recommendation: leak-proof containers make transporting cupcakes and fillings mess-free, keeping frosting intact and lunches sealed. They are great for themed bake sales and picnics. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set for your stash. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Let cupcakes cool fully on a rack to avoid melting frosting and soggy tops. Patience pays off. Pipe a smooth swirl of sky blue frosting for Air Tribe vibes or earthy brown for mountain themes, then add tiny edible sigils or crystals for character. Keep decorations simple so flavors shine, and use contrasting colors to make each cupcake pop on camera and in person, creating bite-sized world building with every serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.